Okay. Okay, now next, very easy. Okay, draw one more line. Just draw one more line parallel to that. Just draw one more line. Okay. Okay, now watch here. Watch here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a tail here. I'm going to draw a tail here. Okay, see from here, just watch carefully. The line is ended here and you have to start a tail here. See. Okay, I'm doing very thick because you can able to see it clearly. Okay, don't do like this. Just draw a single line from here. This line from here. Just draw one more. That's all. From 1, 2, and 3. That's all. Okay, and 1 and 2. Okay, same way do here also. 1 from here, one more line and connect. Okay, the mother and the son. Okay, it's, if you want to make it, the boy and girl, or if you want to make it like, mom and dad, just make this little bigger. That's all. I want this to be a mother and son. That's all. So I have done one small one and one big one. Okay, the next part, just draw the curved lines. This is called curve line. Okay, I'm doing here. Watch it. See, this is curve lines. Okay, this is zigzag lines. Okay, we have lot, like this. Just draw curve line here. Okay. Okay, same way here also. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 1. Okay, done. Now something is missing. You know what? It's very easy to draw the legs. Okay, watch. From here, 1, 2, and 3. Just draw this curve line. 1, 2, and 3. This is the line. I'm using it here. Okay, I'm not doing anything more. This is the line. Okay, see. Okay, from here, and 1, 2, and 3. Same way here, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. That's all. Okay, now I want to make a flower here. I want to make a tree like, see, just draw like this. You can draw a flower here. You can draw a flower, and you can draw anything. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, you want me to color this, we will color. Okay, otherwise we can also go, we can also do one more drawing. Shall we color this, Brito? I'll wait for 3 minutes. Once you all finished, just raise your hand. I'll move next.
Sir, how to do the flower?
Here, okay. Let me please start. See, first you just draw the leaf. Okay, how to draw the leaf? Okay, some more joining. Okay, how to draw the leaf? Sai Saundarya, I'll tell you. Watch. See, One. Sai Soundarya, watch here. Same way. Curve line and see, this is the leaf. Okay, I'm going to draw here. You understood, Soundarya, how to draw the leaf? You can make any number of.
Sir, I didn't ask it, sir.
Someone asked. Same name. Okay. Oh. Okay. Shall we start coloring this?
I asked for the branch.
The branches. This one? Okay. Okay. See, this is a line from here. Just draw some curve lines like this. Okay. Those who finished, tell me in the chat. Okay. Now from here, just draw this line, and from here, just draw the curve line like this. This is the way, it's a freehand technique. Just draw the curve, see, and make sure the tip will be, the edge will be always tiny and sharp. Okay. The branches, the edge will be always sharp. Okay. Okay. Shall we do colors? Shall we start coloring now? Okay. Take your whatever crayons you have.
Can you wait for 1 minute?
Okay, I'll wait. If you have crayons, if you have color pencil, oil pastel, whatever you have, take it.
Sir,
Now,
the branch is different from me.
Okay. Now what you do is just stop from here. Okay. Just draw the stem. Till this. Let's start the color. I'll wait for 2 minutes, then I will start.
Yes, sir, you can show that drawing, like coloring.
And you all take green. I'll tell you the colors. Okay. Take light green and yellow. Sorry, light green, red, and dark green. And brown. Take this color and we'll start coloring.
Sir, what colors do we need?
I'm telling that only. See, I have dark green, I have light green, I have brown, and I have red.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's start the coloring now. Okay. I dart very
Can
thick.
we use sketch?
Sketch, you can do outline, but you cannot drawing, no? You cannot do shading, no? Okay. You can use sketch. Okay. You can, whatever color you have, you can use. Okay. I'll start with the red now. Okay. You also start with me, along with me. For the peak, I'm using red. See, it's not necessary that you should only use color pencil. You can also use oil pastel. You can also use crayons. Whatever you have with you, you can use. Okay, let's start. We're going to draw one more drawing. That's why, I'll tell you simple technique that also. Okay, and I'm taking green. See, okay. If the session is getting closed, please log in again. Okay. Okay. Please hold a pencil like this. You should hold a pencil like this and just do the shade.
Sir, at last, can I show my drawing?
You just color and show me once you finish the coloring. You can apply this light green everywhere. Okay, then I'll tell you how to do some shading and all. Okay, don't do here. It's this will be brown. Okay, now I have done with the light green. Now I take a dark green and I'm just going to do dark green in the feather. See, actually this is all a base color I'm using. Okay, but we have to do some shadings and all. Okay, now just do a plain colors. Now after some time I'll teach you how to do the shading and how to do this blending and all. Okay, now just do the plain colors. See how I'm holding my pencil? Like this, not like this, like this.
Sir, I don't have dark green.
Okay, no problem. What you do is take the light green and just put a pressure here. See, make it like this. Okay, see, there is a difference. Here light, here dark. Okay, use the same pencil and put some pressure. You will get some dark in the same pencil. If the session is disconnected, please join again. Okay. Okay. Now I take brown and I'll take brown and do it for the trunk. Okay, easy and simple drawing. You can draw anywhere. Okay, you don't want picture to see anything, right? You only just know the technique, how to connect the corners, how to connect these two. I'm just the parrot is started from number 2, right? Just practice 2 times, you will learn this immediately. Okay, I'm just going to draw the trunk. I'm just going to draw the trunk. Okay then. Okay, now I'm going to draw a leaf. See, just going to shade the leaf. If don't, those who are not draw the trunks, the trunks, no worries. Okay, they can just only color the brown part. And those who are doing with crayons and oil pastel, do it carefully. It should not come out of the paper and all. Okay, it should be inside the pencil line. Make sure. That is very important. Okay, so now I want to make this piece little darker. Okay, see, I'm taking the same pencil I'm taking the same pencil. And
Excuse me, sir, can you wait 1 minute?
any doubts, you can raise your hand, ask me, tell your name, and you can ask. Only the top side, okay, not the bottom. Okay, I want to make sure the shade here. Easy. I'm done. Actually, we also can able to, do some background here. Okay, and one more thing. Draw the leg with black. Just, it's like C. That's all. And if you have time, we can always do some shading here. You can take a dark green and you can color them in this corner to make the bird little darker and shade also. But any doubts, you can ask me. After in next 3 minutes.
Sir, can I show my drawing?
You finished? Finished coloring? Show me your picture. I'll see. In next 3 minutes, the call will get disconnect. Then you can connect it again. We will draw one more drawing. Okay.
Sir, I have finished my drawing.
Okay, good. Just
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, I have got it to color the tree. I am coloring.
Okay, those who finished, show me your picture. Just tell me your name and show me your picture.
Sir, I'm Soundarya. Can I show?
Name? Okay. Okay. Wow, it's really beautiful. But why you are saving that much space? Just draw a little bigger, no? See my picture. You drew beautifully, and it's very tiny. It's very small. Next time do little bigger. Sai Soundarya. Okay.
Sir,
Okay. Your picture is beautiful. Okay. Do little bigger next time.
Sir, shall I draw?
And show me, Sasha.
See your drawing, sir.
Wow, beautiful, good. And for you also, next time, do bigger. Okay, do bigger, and your body, one by one. I'm just giving Wait. Wow, good. Wow, superb. It looks, the mom and the child. Okay, good. And next time, do little bigger like this. Okay, next time do little bigger. Okay, good. Okay, Samantha. Wow, Samantha, beautiful. Beautiful drawing, Samantha. Samantha, superb. Okay. Ritesh, good work, Ritesh. Suresh Jabaraj, I'm seeing your picture. Suresh, the body little bigger. Okay. Okay, superb. Ritesh and Indu, show little closer, Indu. I'm not able to see your picture. Show me little closer. Yes. Ritesh, you are good, Ritesh. Yes.
Okay, sir.
I am not able to hear your voice, sir.
Hi, sir.
Hello, can you hear me now? With you, okay. So master going to teach you one more drawing, easy drawing. Okay, so I don't want to waste time. You can send the number to Brito. Okay. And Adish Ratan, wow, good
Sir,
one,
can
Adish.
you just share the number on the chat?
Yeah, Brito will share. Yeah, Brito, can you share your number? He already done. You can share. You can check. Okay, we're going to draw one more picture. Okay, we have next 15 minutes time. Okay, I'll teach you. Everybody take one more. Take one A4 sheet. Okay, take one more A4 sheet. Please WhatsApp all your picture to Brito Amalraj. Okay, we will correct and send across. Okay, then let's start. Okay, let's start the next drawing. 28 members have joined already. Okay, take a new paper and join. Okay, don't want to waste time and we'll move further. And let's see. Watch carefully. Okay, do bigger. I saw some tiny small parrot. Okay, I don't want that. I want a big picture. I want a big one. Okay, let's start. Okay, in center, just draw number 3. Just draw this number 3. All start along with me. You all start.
Amma, அந்த drawingல இது இருக்கு ஐவி ஷீட். அத எடுத்துட்டு வா.
Start. You can start with me along with me. Okay, let's do this. Okay, going to draw one more big 3. Okay, but the condition is all the center point should be similar. Okay, see this, all the center point should connect similar, and this will be a small aquarium drawing. Okay, and next is leave a space this much, leave a space and draw one more 3. And here one more. Just draw this. I'll wait for a minute. Just draw this.
Sir, the second 3 you have drawn right in the second left side, right side.
Sonali,
Yes,
you are
sir.
saying this? Okay.
No,
this
sir,
is,
the
this
right
should be big.
side. Yes, sir.
This, yes.
Yes.
It should be little bigger. This should be
Yes,
little
sir.
bigger than this. Just draw this. Just draw this line. I'll tell you how to connect it. That is a purpose. I'll tell you how to do that. Okay. You are finished?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Those who finished, okay, keep it. Okay, next step. See, from here, just connect a line here. Okay, same way, connect a line here. Okay, easy way. Now it's important point. Okay,
Sir, can
watch
you
out.
show again?
Okay, so this, from this first 3, just draw line here. Just draw a line and touch the second 3. From here, touch the second 3. Okay. Now the next step. From the second 3, just take a long curve and connect. Take a long curve and connect the 3. It's a cross. It's like, curve. And do the same thing for connect these 2 lines in the first 3. Okay, from here, the small 3, you can say. And now, Now connect this line from this 3. Just draw the connect line here, and from here just draw the line here. Okay. Next part. I want to draw a curve here. Just want to draw one more curve here. And make a eye. Okay.
Sir, is this a fish?
Okay. Now next step. Now what I'm going to draw inside. Okay. Now watch. Just draw from here. Just draw a line and one more parallel line and connect it. Hope you all watch a fish, right? You all see the aquarium. See, from here the second line start from here. The second line start from here. The first line start from here. Okay, and third line start again from the down, and fourth line start from the top. See. Okay, I'll wait for some time and just going to draw a bubble here. Okay, I'm going to draw one more. I'm going to draw one more fish over here. Okay, I'll wait for 2 minutes, then I will start.
Sir, is this a fish? Sir,
Yes.
is this a fish?
Yes. Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Yep. So okay, and I'll draw one more fish quickly. Easy fish. Okay. Now this side. Okay, this side. Just draw the curve line. First line, and the second line will be one more curve here. Just draw this curve line. From here, start, take a center point and start. So, okay, now this will be wings. And this side also there will be a wings. Okay, and going to draw eyes here. Okay, now watch. This is the curve lines I already teach you, right? This is called a curve line. What I'm going to draw first, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, watch this technique. 1, 2, and 3. Now, where you have to start is from here 1. And from here 1, and from here 1, and from here 1 and half. See, 1 and 1. From here 1 and 1. Just draw this technique. 1 curve and another curve. Just draw one more curve and one more. 1, 2, and 1. Just do this zigzag, okay? Okay, just draw this zigzag. That's all. Okay, and watch. Since this is aquarium, what I'm going to do is there will be some sand. See, there will be some sand over here. Okay, there will be some sand over here, and there will be some trees here. This is I'm just going to do some pebbles here. Okay, these are all pebbles. Okay, and a leaf. You all have aquarium in your home, small aquarium. So small fish tank. You may see this. Okay. Okay. So now it came. Okay. Now you can also draw. One more small here, small pebbles, and you can draw small leaf here. Just going to draw one more small leaf. Okay, simple.
So can we color?
Yeah, we will color that. Okay, you all finished?
No, sir, 1 minute. Sir, I can't do that zigzag. Yes, sir.
Finished?
I'm finished. Drawing. No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Don't say yes, no. Just send me a chat. Yes, no. Okay, I will take it. Next, we have next 5 minutes. Okay, quickly I'll tell you the colors. Okay, we can always use. Okay, we can always use for fish. We can always do a colorful and make it colorful. Okay, and I'm going to draw. I'm starting with the second fish now. Okay, just a color with yellow. Okay, just start a color with yellow. See, if you don't complete also, if you don't finish also within time, no problem. Okay, you can finish and send it to Brito. Brito's number already shared in the screen. Okay, in the chat box you can share them. Okay, you all share them. Share your picture. Okay, I'm just teaching you the technique. You just watch, then you can draw. Okay. Okay, so I have taken yellow and I have drawn complete yellow, all the fish, and now what I'm going to do is, I'll take orange. I'll take a red. Okay, I'll take a red color. I'll take a red color. What we do is, see, in the mouth we'll do red. Okay, from here just draw red little bit. Okay, always here there will be red color, right? And I'll take orange. From here. Just do this. Only half side. Okay, don't do orange with all your fish. Just do it half. That's all. It looks beautiful. Only do it half. See, just do half, and for the tail it's complete orange. Make this style as a complete orange. Okay, I'm done with my first fish. Okay, and I'm done with the first fish. So I'll move to this fish now. Okay, I want to make this fish, we'll do a blue color. Okay. We'll make this fish blue. Okay, now this piece I'll shade with red. First, this one inside all of this. Okay, and this part going to be a red. Okay, and here. Okay, and the tail part I'm going to make it red. And this piece going to be a red.
Sir, what color have you given for the face?
Here for the body.
No, sir. The first
Which
picture.
one? The first picture.
Yeah.
Here it's orange and yellow.
That the second.
This one.
No.
This one. Oh, this is red actually. The only for the face and the wings here, it's all red. Okay, I'm going to make it a blue fish actually. So I'm going to make this actually for fish, aquarium fish, you can draw your own colors, whatever you think, colors, whatever you have, you can use that color also. If you don't, if you don't have blue, no worries. Okay, instead of this blue, you can use light blue. If you don't have light blue, no problem, you can use orange. If you don't have orange also, you can do yellow. Okay, no problem. Can you please go on mute? And remember, when you draw, when you do a color, when you start doing a color, this is the angle you are going to use, and you have to use this angle to the entire fish. If you start doing this angle, you have to do entire fish this angle only. Okay, don't do like half here and half like this. It don't good. Okay, I will send you this picture also to Brito. Okay, you can, any doubts, you can see this and draw.
Sir, can we also
Okay.
give outline?
Yeah, you can give, see, you can give outline with black also, but I don't recommend to give outline. If you give outline, it looks, unnatural. It don't looks natural, right? You can give outline to this inner part. And the final touch is here. See, okay, it's already time over. Okay, what I will tell you, do this plant. Do this plant with the green color. Okay, do this plant green and the pebbles brown. Okay, now I'll extend next 5 minutes. Okay, so just leave this. I don't do this because I told you how you should not do. Okay, leave this space. Okay, now take this light blue. Okay, and just draw a line like this. Just drop slowly here and there. Okay, and make this as a water. Give a feel that it's a water like this. Okay, don't do full colors. I don't want that. Okay, just draw simple cross colors. Just a shade, just a simple shade here. That's all. Okay, it gives a realistic picture effect. Okay, and make sure you draw something. Okay, take some orange, take some orange. Just draw the part. Okay, done. I'm done. We have done a beautiful aquarium and we have done a parrot over here in this class. Okay, I'm really thanks for your cooperation and hand it over to Brito.
Thank you, Subhash, for your wonderful time to teach beautiful paintings. So kids எல்லாருக்கும் கூட thanks சொல்லிக்கிறேன். They are very much energetic to cooperate with us and did the beautiful drawing. So உங்களோட drawings நான் என்னோட மொபைல் நம்பர் ஷேர் பண்ணியிருந்தேன். ஸோ அதுக்கு you can send it to me. So next 3 classes, so who are attending next 3 classes and sending snaps, they will get a special gift from Manitha Siragigal. So
Sir, what all days the classes will be there?
So as of now, it's planned on weekend, Saturday or Sunday. I will try to post the details to your contact details. Who has shared this snap today, I will note it down your mobile numbers and I will share the class details to you directly. So thanks for all your cooperation and have a nice
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you everyone. Okay, for more drawings you can send you the link and you can see my drawings and
Thank you, sir.
you can always follow me in the YouTube. Thank you,
sir.
Brito.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Arvind.
Thank you so much.
Thank
sir.
you very much.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, Sonali.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Brito, thank you, Brito. Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Bye, Sasha. Bye, Sasha. Bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Brito, I'll share this picture.
Okay, Subhash, அனுப்புங்க.
Sir,
நான்
we will
Bye-bye.
have class regularly. Thank you, sir.
Kathleen.
Thank you, sir.